great for those businesses.
Yeah.
Ted, thank you. All righty, take a look. It's happening. Snow and, dare I say, grapple around the region.
That's a fun word.
Not a word I use every day. Okay, we have photos. Also, you're texting us from lots of places, including Alder Lake, Skycomish, Ravensdale, Maple Valley.
Beautiful.
Okay, by the way, grapple. In
Yeah.
case you've never heard of it, basically a hybrid of all of the winter weather phenomenon, sleet and rain and snow and hail all together, right?
Wow.
Yeah, it's really cool. To simplify it, it's like a snowflake that's falling, a water droplet comes down, it's super cooled, it attaches to that snowflake, and you got like a tiny little piece of almost hail, like soft hail. And
But
they're
not
almost-
quite hail.
Not quite hail. Hail would develop in the upper atmosphere in the clouds, and it falls into the cloud, it gets pulled back up, gets another layer, falls in the cloud, gets pulled back up until it's too heavy and then
icy
falls out of the
hard.
cloud.
So
it's icy hard.
Is it grappling? Is that correct?
We had it. It's not
Can you
grappling
say that?
right now,
Is that a
but we
word?
did have it earlier. Yeah, I think we're going to have more of it potentially tomorrow as well. That's a fun word to say, though, right? Grappling. All right. Hey, so we got also some videos that came into us. Thanks for sending us your video. This one came to us on Twitter. This is Bonnie Lake at about 580 feet, about 9 p.m. this evening, maybe a little before that, from Captain Gunner 34. Thanks for sending that in. You can see some of the snow coming down. Said no accumulations, but nonetheless, snowfall levels hovering between 400 feet and 500 feet. Up at Snoqualmie Pass, as you'd expect, some snow, not a whole lot, but some will add 1 to maybe 5 inches of snow into the mountains for the first half of the morning tomorrow, and then we'll add plenty more on Friday. Stevens Pass, also some very light snow. Here's a look at the radar. Have some more energy in the form of mainly rain coming into Neah Bay, and that will hit the coast momentarily, and then we've got a few lingering showers in the form of snow. Though I took away the satellite, so the white that you see here is not going to be cloud cover, it's actually snow. Snoqualmie to Carnation, a little bit of light snow, maybe a rain snow mix as well, and a lot of this is lifted up into the foothills. We saw some close to North Bend and Enumclaw. A lot of that continues to track to the south and east. Snowfall levels again hovering close to 500 feet, at times dipping down to about 400 feet through tomorrow morning. Friday morning will be the same story, maybe even a little bit lower, 300 feet early Friday morning. And then by the afternoon, they shoot way up to 1,500 feet. So yes, we have 1,500 feet on the map, but they will start off at pretty low, 400 or 500 feet or so. Next week, they drop really low. Cold air is coming in. Question is, how much moisture will we have? We'll focus on that later because that's still a ways out, and we're still uncertain, a lot of uncertainty with next week's storm. Tomorrow, 5:30 in the morning through the northwest interior, you can see some close to Port Angeles, perhaps along Highway 101, and then we'll see some close to the Kitsap Peninsula, right over to Hood Canal. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It slides down to the south, closer to Arlington, Snohomish County, the northern edge of King County. You can still see some close to Renton again, perhaps Burien, where you had a little bit of snow earlier. Then by 1:30, this is done. We get some sun breaks, and then the clouds fill in. As we look at Friday now, Fridays looks more important or more impressive with rainfall totals. We'll get some more snow on Friday morning. I think on Friday morning, the accumulations will be on the grass, potentially 1 to 3 inches. And then during the afternoon, the rain comes in. It will melt the snow quickly. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll have 40s for several days to come. Joyce and Mark, look at next week's highs, hovering close to 32 degrees, maybe even into the 20s for highs.